You were saying to me that you never interviewed for a job. You left
That is
college.
true. Yeah.
And you decided to go and start a startup. And you came not out here, but to Connecticut.
Yeah. No, it's not exactly the world's most inspiring story. I was actually a terrible student in college. I graduated with a 2.2 GPA, and I was certain that absolutely no one would hire me. So my thinking was that I would start a business, almost certainly fail at it, but then I would have something on my resume besides my GPA to put there. And so, yeah, when I was looking for grand locations to start this business that would be a certain failure, I thought, what better than my parents' house, which happened to be located in Connecticut, and the rent was also free.
And instead it became, is it Connecticut's only tech unicorn?
It is Connecticut's only tech unicorn.
Well, congratulations.
Yes, I'm sure Connecticut is super proud that that's its origin story.
And so, I mean, what is you may not know because you're not based out here, but what are the advantages and disadvantages of basing a startup outside of Silicon Valley?
So I have the experience of one, so it is not, super nuanced.
But you're going to move here next year?
Absolutely not, no. I may not live in Connecticut, but I don't think Silicon Valley is for me. Actually, what we've found is that you can attract great talent pretty much anywhere, and the talent sticks around. We like being a big fish in a small pond, and that's worked out well that people aren't looking to go, some other place. And you really get a bigger sense of community and family that people are invested in, and this is not a 2-year engagement to get some options and move on to the next best thing, but instead, how do I actually, make this whole thing work? And I think that's part of the reason why we've been successful, and I certainly think that if I was in Silicon Valley, there's so many cool, exciting, amazing, awesome things going on that I personally would have been distracted. I know our early team, we almost failed a zillion times, and we would have been distracted and said, go do something else, but since we were in Connecticut, we had no other options but to stick it out.